Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking on this video and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now without wasting time, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Vogue challenge that is trending right now. So first, open your PixArt app. Once you open your PixArt app, then you go straight to import your picture into PixArt. I'll be using this picture right here to this video. So after importing your pictures, you go straight to sticker, search for Vogue. Next thing to do is to choose the right one you want, any one you want. There are so many. I'm going to use this one right here. So just try to make it fit into your screen and then press apply, and you can go to tools and crop this picture. And that's it, guys. This is so simple, guys. This is the second picture I am trying to use for this, and I'm going to go straight to the crop section and crop this picture a little bit. Apply. We go straight to sticker and pick anyone you want, anyone you love. Okay, I think this one is better. I think it's okay. So you can go on and look for another sticker to add to this, or just leave it that way. So for me, I'm going to look for another sticker. I think I love this one, so I'm going to place it right here. And that's it. This is it. That's it, guys, and this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.